Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video guys, we're working here on that BMW 3 Series guys. And if you have E90, E91, 92, 93 and you have the active cruise control, we're going to show you where to find the fuse for it. Now, ours does not have that one, but I found the information and I decided to share with some of you that are looking for it, which fuse number it is and where to locate it. Now, BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes throughout the whole generation, so always double check that this is the correct fuse for your active cruise control, or it might be different depending on your year and model that you have. Now, let me show you quick where it's located and how to find it. We have more than 200 videos on the 3 Series here guys, so please hit that subscribe button, okay, for more videos, give a like. And now how you access the fuse, you need to open your glove compartment here, okay, and that cover needs to come out, those things need to be turned up, okay, this one here now, just turn it up 90 degrees and you pull the cover out. This is where your fuses are located, and now we do not have this one, but let me show you now. This is your fuse puller, so you can use the fuse puller to remove and replace them. Now the fuse for the active cruise control is number 9, so you can see that that block of fuses here, 1, 2, 3. Now right there, that middle block right here on the very top row guys, number 9 will be the 4th fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ours is empty. You can see we have number 8 and number 9 is empty because we do not have the active cruise on ours. Now again, the 4th one from left to right on that upper row under my finger right there. So that's where you can expect to find that fuse guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you that are struggling with problems related to the active cruise control. So hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.